Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and good morning from Melbourne. It is currently 10:24. I have a neighbor who is playing games very loudly. I did not sleep very well, but it's okay. It is very loud in these rooms. So you know, you hear a lot. You hear the doors slam and people talking in the corridors and stuff. But I'll get used to it after a while. That's fine. So it is Sunday today, so me and a couple of people are gonna check out the Sunday market that is like literally right outside, and then I'm gonna go to Ikea to buy some necessities. I also have a lot to do with administration things, like I need to apply for a bus, like public transportation card. I need to apply for this and that. There's a lot of things I need to do, and I'm so tired. I just really don't want to do anything, but I have to. But yeah. I've been walking around for like an hour and I feel like I'm about to evaporate. I forgot to buy sunscreen. I've been trying to find them, but they don't sell it here anywhere, which is sad. It's a blow high and a baby share. So, just come back home after a long day out. So me and two friends that I met yesterday, we went to the city by the public transport, went to Ikea and got some things, walked around. I fixed so that I now have an Australian phone number, and yeah, it was very tiresome. I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm doing a little bit of unpacking. And just got a text message from one of them saying that there'll be sushi night in the common room, so I'll be heading over there later. But yeah, it's been a lot of walking, but a nice day. It's been very fun. So yeah, that's all for today. Tomorrow is the start of orientation week. Something about just a little collage of that, of orientation week, because I'm going to a few of the events. I'm gonna look up exactly when and where they are. Tomorrow I need to go to the accommodation help center because I need to fix with my contract, because that was not fixed, and with the start date and how much I need to pay and shit and stuff. And I also need to open an Australian bank account so that I can pay rent and all that jazz. So there's a lot to do. But other than that, it's been a very successful day. The market was really cool as well. It was just super warm. And the two friends that I met, they are local Australians. They're from northern Australia where it gets even hotter. So, and I was like, how can you survive? One of them wore black jeans and it was like over 30 degrees today. And I was like, bro, how? I'm in shorts and t-shirt and I'm sweating away. Good gods. But yeah, I hope you guys at home are doing well. I miss my friends already. It was very nice to go to Ikea and eat some Swedish meatballs. Even though I've only been gone for like a day and a half or 2 days technically. It was nice. So every time I get homesick, I'll just head over to Ikea. Yeah, that's all from me for now. See ya later.